I'm sure you have seen gorgeous calligraphy all over Instagram, Pinterest, or all over the internet and might be thinking that only the lucky ones born with talent can create beautiful letters like that. I have good news for you. There is a way for you to start making beautiful letters today, and that way is called folk calligraphy. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 simple steps you can follow to create folk calligraphy. Welcome to the first video of this folk calligraphy series, where I'm going to show you how you can start learning calligraphy without the need of any expensive tools or any previous creative knowledge. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can start making beautiful letters today by using a tool that you already have on hand. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can have access to my free folk calligraphy worksheet that you can use to start practicing today. This is the same worksheet that I will be using throughout the video. All you need for this tutorial is a writing surface and a writing tool. I'm using a regular notebook and a Staedtler Tripos 5 liner, which I got from Amazon, and I will put the link down below. I use this pen for my regular everyday writing, so you can use whatever pen or pencil you have handy. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first step in this tutorial is to write the letter or word. The second step is to draw outlines to the downstrokes. And basically a downstroke in calligraphy is every time you move your pen downward. And then the third step is to fill in the outlines, or don't. It is completely up to you. In here I'm using the same pen to go ahead and fill the outlines, but this is the part where you can get creative with folk calligraphy. You can use a different color, do lines, dots, or even leave them blank. If you see at the beginning of this video, I didn't fill in the outlines because that's usually what I like to do when I do folk calligraphy. Those are the 3 simple steps you need to follow to create folk calligraphy and start making beautiful letters today. You can follow the same steps to complete the whole alphabet, any word or phrase that you would like to write. In here, I'm going over the worksheet that I created to help you practice. If you want to go ahead and do the whole alphabet, I'm going over the first part of my worksheet, which you can have access by going to my blog at vialdesigns.com or clicking in the link below. Just remember that learning calligraphy is part of a process and you acquire a new skill. Learning folk calligraphy, it is the first step to help you make that process better and to start making beautiful letters today by using something that you already have in hand, which is a regular pen and paper. But you do need to practice to become better at it. That's why I created these worksheets, to help you with that practice. Just to let you know, I did speed up a little bit this part of the video because in real life I do write a lot more slower than this, and if you pay close attention to the video, I do make a small pause every time I'm making the letters. This is especially important when you start doing calligraphy with a brush pen or a pointed pen, because each letter is composed of different strokes, and we're gonna go over this in later videos. Now I'm going over the second part of the worksheet, which is to trace the letters again, and this time adding the outlines to the downstrokes. Don't forget that you can have access to this free calligraphy worksheet that I'm using on the video for free by going to my blog at vialdesigns.com. I do have other tutorials and free resources. If you have any questions about this video, please let me know in the comments below. I will be creating new videos every week and I would love to hear from you. Any questions, anything that you want to learn about calligraphy, let me know and I would love to help you. Now we're getting to the end of the second part of the worksheet. The third part is for you to try for yourself. I didn't complete this part because I wanted to leave it up to you. So you can go ahead and repeat the 3 steps we went over this tutorial. Trace over the letters, then add the outlines to the downstrokes, and then fill in the outlines. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends.